It begins with betrayal. Of not being able to express the crushed grape in your chest, the taste of morgue in your mouth, and how the lions in your eyes are all dying. Your voice has become mummified in a sarcophagus of incest. But the Egyptians used honey to preserve their vital organs, and so your mind begins to flower, and you come up with new ways of speaking. Mohawks on skateboards, tattoos underwater, guillotines of scarring. Maybe you become bad weather, all thunderbelly and hailstorm, an acid rain tarantula making the world barren. Maybe you become music because it's the only thing you've ever loved that's never hurt you. Maybe you become empty coffee cups on the sidewalk, paper pizza pie plates in the dumpster. Maybe you're the stoic forest, clear-cut, never replanted, slowly eroding with red wine and vomit. Maybe you take to fucking, like a badge, like plastic, like a Holocaust scarecrow with a gun in its mouth. Maybe sex disgusts you, like the barbed cocks of hogs, caterpillar cum, your father calling you a faggot, you're a stupid little faggot. Just for wanting to kiss that cute boy. Maybe you wish everyone would just shut the hell up. It's none of their business. They don't know what they're talking about, and no one can speak for me. And you're right, I can't, and I don't want to. But until you stop jumping off of bridges, running into traffic, and hanging yourselves in residential school bathrooms, I'll keep talking. Because I know what it's like to wrap yourself up in the barbed wire of your past, bleeding so badly no one holds you. I know what it's like not wanting to have children because you fear that you'll hurt them. Treat them like wet spaghetti to see if they'll stick to the walls. But maybe, just maybe, one day you'll come to understand that the God they use to abuse you is a sorrowful crow of disaster, an infectious disease you had no idea you were immune to. And maybe one day you'll come to discover that you can go from being dead air on the radio to tambourine, tackle bang, hallelujah! So pick up a pen, pick up a guitar, pick up a rattling can of acrylic, and maybe you'll become blue tornadoes at midnight, chocolate myth goddesses, moss-top beer cardiologists, tagging your lives on the blistering lips of the sun.